Hello, guys. Now we are going to talking about, and I would like to let you know about the Instagram and how it does work and what is Instagram. This is an Instagram definition. Instagram is a free photo and video sharing app available on iPhone and Android both. People can upload photos or videos to our services and share them with their followers or with a select group of friends. They can also view, comment, and like posts shared by their friends on Instagram. Anyone 13 and older than create an account for registering an email address and selecting a username. But to learn more, here are some of our popular help topics. Instagram community guideline and terms of phone. Sign up for Instagram. This is the community guideline. COVID-19 community guideline updating and protection. As people around the world confront the unpredicted people health emergency, we want to make sure that our community guideline protect people from harmful content and new types of abuse related to COVID-19. We are working to remove content that has the potential to contribute to real world harm, including through our policies prohibiting coordination of harm, sale of medical masks and related goods, hate speech, bullying and harassment, and misinformation that contribute to the risk of imminent violence or physical harm. To learn more about our policies on COVID-19 and vaccines, see here. The short, we want Instagram to continue be an authentic and safe place for inspiration and expression. Help us foster this community. Post only your own photos and videos and always follow the law. Respect everyone on Instagram. Don't spam people or post nudity. The Learn. Instagram is a reflection of our diverse community of culture, ages, and beliefs. We have spent a lot of time thinking about the different points of view that create safe and open environment for everyone. We created the community guidelines so you can help us foster and protect the amazing community. By using Instagram, you agree these guidelines and terms of use, we are committed to these guidelines. We hope you are too. Overstepping these boundaries may result in deleted content, disabled content, or other restrictions. In some cases, we allow content of public awareness which would otherwise go against our community guideline. If it is a newsworthy and it is the public interest, we do the only after winning the public interest value against the risk of harm, and we look the international human rights standards to make these judgment. Share only photos and videos you have taken to have right to share. As always, you know the content you post on Instagram. Remember to post authentic content and don't post anything you have copied or collected from the internet that you don't have the right to post. Learn and more about intellectual properties right. Post photos and videos are appreciated for the diverse audience. We know that there are times when people might want to share nude images that are artistic or creative in nature, but for a variety of reasons, we don't allow nudity of Instagram. This includes photo, videos, and some digitally created content that show sexual intercourse, gentle, and close up for fully nude buttocks. It also includes some photos of female nipples, but photos in the context of breastfeeding, birth giving, and the afterbirth movement health related situation. For example, post a mastectomy breast cancer awareness or gender confirmation surgery. An act of protect are allowed. Nudity in photos of painting and sculpture is okay too. People like to share photos or videos on their children for safety reasons. There are times we may remove images that show nude or partially nude children. When this content is shared with good intentions, it could be used by other in un, un, unsupported ways. You can learn more on our tips for parents page. Faster, meaningful, and genuine interactions. Help us stay spam free by not artificially collecting like followers and get support, content payment, change account settings, privacy and security, terms and policies. This can work.